Hey, For Real fam, what's up? It's Anna here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super important. What to do if you lose your iPhone. Yup, it's scary and frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to find it using Apple's Find My network. Let's get started. Disclaimer. Remember, this information is for responsible use only. It's meant for those who legitimately own their device and have simply forgotten their access info. We do not encourage or support unlawful actions, such as bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video adheres to YouTube's guidelines and community standards. All right. So losing your iPhone can feel like the end of the world, but thanks to Apple's Find My network, all hope is not lost. Whether you have another Apple device handy or not, there are different ways to locate your lost iPhone. So let's dive into the first method. The first method is using the Find My app from another Apple device like an iPad or Mac. Whenever you set up a new Apple gadget and log in with your Apple ID, it's automatically registered to the Find My network. To start, open the Find My app on your iPad or Mac. Second, select the Devices or Items tab. Third, from the list, find your iPhone to view its location on the map. Fourth, tap directions to open its location and begin navigation. Another cool feature is to play a sound on your iPhone. This is super handy if you're close but just can't see it. Tap the play sound button. Quick break. If you're finding this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or just want to say hi? Drop a comment below. If you can't locate your iPhone, you can mark it as lost using the lost mode. Here's how. First, open the Find My app on your iPad or Mac. Second, select the Devices or Items tab. Third, find your iPhone from the list. Fourth, scroll down until you reach Mark as Lost or Lost mode. Fifth, tap Activate or Enable and follow the on-screen instructions. Activating Lost mode will remotely lock your iPhone and let you display a message with contact information on the lock screen. No iPad or Mac? No worries. You can still use the Find My features through iCloud. First, open any web browser and go to the iCloud website. Second, log in with your Apple ID. Third, click on Find iPhone. Fourth, choose your iPhone from the list of devices to find its location. With iOS 15, Apple made it possible to find your iPhone even if it's turned off. Here's how to make sure this feature is enabled. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Second, tap your name and profile image at the top. Third, tap Find My and then Find My iPhone. Fourth, enable Find My network. In case your iPhone is truly lost, you can erase it remotely to protect your info. Here's how. First, open the Find My app on your iPad or Mac or use iCloud. Second, select your iPhone from the list. Third, scroll down and tap Erase this device. Fourth, confirm Erase this iPhone. And that's it, folks. Losing your iPhone is stressful, but with these steps, you have a pretty good chance of getting it back. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with your friends. And for more awesome tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to For Real. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.